सभी राज्यों की खबर खबर SNS न्यूज चैनल पर खबर जो आपको रखे सबसे आगे।
हेलो वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। मैं हूँ अरीसा चंद्राकर। आज मेरे साथ है वीरो मंडी से बहुत ही खास शास्त्री का नाम है जेसन। वेलकम जेसन।
थैंक यू।
सो जेसन, मुझे स्टार्ट इसी से करना है कि हाउ डज इट फील जब आप एक इतने बड़े प्रोजेक्ट के पार्ट रहते हो जो कि संजय लीला बंसाली का प्रोजेक्ट है।
It feels great. I'm blessed. I'm very happy. It's always good, to be a part of big projects, something that means something to everybody.
सो आपका जो कैरेक्टर है हीरा मंडी में, दैट इज वेरी रूथलेस एंड ही इज अ लायर एंड whereas जेसन इज वेरी स्वीट एंड काइंड.
इनको कैसे पता? How do you know?
I know I've read about you. I've seen which big boss, and I can see you right now.
So
Feel very sweet and kind. So, how did you prepare for that role? Because you can't relate with it.
वैसे तो बोलते हैं ना, विलन रियल लाइफ में तो विलन होता ही नहीं है. I don't look at myself as a villain, but I have played a lot of villainous roles, and I think the darker the aspect that you see a character, the more you understand of what you should not be in life. So I've understood a lot about the darkness of a person's mind because I'm always being told by directors, more anger, more anger. So I'd like to be as least angry person as possible. So I guess that kind of makes me sweet. Apparently I'm sweet.
So, and you said you are sweet. What does you think you have that quality that makes you sweet? What is that quality?
Firstly, you said I'm sweet, but I think maybe I wasn't so sweet before, but I'm learning that kindness, forgiveness, love, these kind of things are the things that we need in this world to bring peace to our lives. And I think it's in the little things. कि कभी-कभी मैं मतलब चाय वाला के साथ में थोड़ा मजाक करता है तो उनको भी अच्छा लगता है कि सर मेरे से बात किया है. Because just because I'm an actor doesn't mean that I want to show attitude to a particular person. I know it's difficult कि हमारे लाइफ में तो सब लोग के साथ ऐसे मतलब इतना comfortable नहीं रह सकते because we meet a lot of people, we have a lot of interaction with people, but at least the people that I'm working with and for those that at least come in my way, I will always try and show kindness. And थोड़ा मजाक मस्ती में तो मज़ा आता है, वो माहौल बनता है, उससे लोग थोड़ा वो light feeling रहता है, लोगों को याद रहता है. I had people come running up to me, sir, and I know कि मैंने उसके साथ काम किया कहीं ना कहीं, but उसका याद नहीं आ रहा कि उसका नाम क्या है, but वो मुझे 100% याद हो रहा है because he's like, sir, हमने इतना मज़ा किया था उस रात and you were shooting late and हमेशा कुछ याद करने से वो कुछ तो कुछ होता है ऐसे.
So, जैसे कि बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर हैं हीरा मंडी में, आपकी बॉन्डिंग सबसे अच्छी किसके साथ थी सेट पर?
I don't know, उनको तो पूछना पड़ेगा. मेरी तरफ से तो I think I'm bonded with the people that I worked with quite a bit. Taha, I think, is one of the easiest people to bond with. Indresh, for sure. We had quite an episode. Sonakshi was great because me and Sonakshi did many scenes with one another. I think those are probably the people that I, interacted with also the most.